Presenting the 2014 Kia Sedona. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, a HomeLink system, privacy glass. Inside you'll find third-row seat, Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, front airbags, side impact door beams, parking sensors, child safety locks, iPod integration. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."